We had a nasty windstorm blow through last night and knock over a lot of our props, despite our best efforts to stake them all down. The winds were strong enough to just uproot those stakes that we had and still just push the big guys just right over. But luckily, nothing was damaged. So we stood everything back up and we made a few adjustments. For our Wraith, we decided where we first put it was actually part of the problem. Wind was coming from around the corner of the house and catching it, we think. So we moved it over to a place where it would have solid walls around it on multiple sides. Then we added even more weights to hold it down. And in addition to the stakes, we drove some 5-foot rebar down in two places just to further anchor it in place even more. For our Scarecrow, we added some sandbags to give it more weight. And then we swapped out the stakes that came with it in favor of some like big corkscrew tent stakes. So this way the stakes are just that much harder to uproot. The dog that fell over, we stood him up and added a little bit of rebar, but he doesn't have as far to fall, so we're not quite so worried about him. But he's up and should be okay. The headstones that went down, we just stood those up. We have a few of those tip over all the time, and standing them up again is really no big deal. So now that's pretty much it. We're still on the lookout for more strategies to better anchor these guys down, but right now, this strategy seems to be working pretty well. Time will tell, and let's see how this goes.